Introducing the Hoover bagged A3. High-performing A-class dust pickup on hard floors, tested to collect 100% of dust. The A3 has great performance on carpets too. The integral tool compartment has 3 separate tools that, when attached and the suction power selected, can be used to clean many different items, including delicate surfaces, crumbs from the sides of sofas, and for those homes with pets, the addition of a pet turbo tool makes removing pet hair easy. With a large 3.2-litre bag and A-class emissions, this is a great choice for those with allergies. Introducing the bagged A3. Outstanding cleaning performance.